How to change Threads profile picture? Here's how to do it on your iPhone. First, open the Threads app on your iPhone. Next, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now, tap Edit Profile. Tap your profile picture at the top of the screen. You'll see options such as Choose from Library or Import from Instagram. If you want a different photo just for Threads, tap Choose from Library and select the picture you'd like to use. If you want to use the same profile picture as on Instagram, tap Import from Instagram. Threads lets you use either option, and changing your Threads profile picture won't automatically change your Instagram profile picture. After selecting your photo, adjust it if needed, then tap Choose. Finally, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Your new profile picture will now appear on your Threads profile. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Threads profile picture on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and social media tutorials.